Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get free games on your Mac. All right, let's begin. The first method is to open the App Store on your Mac. You can do this by clicking the App Store icon in your taskbar or by searching for App Store using the search bar. Once in the App Store, click on Categories on the left side and select Games. Here, you'll see a mix of free and paid games. Scroll down and look for top free games. Click See All to view a list of all available free games. To download a game, simply click the Get button next to it, and it will be installed on your Mac. The second method is through Steam. Open a browser and search for Steam. Go to the official website, then click Install Steam in the top right. Next, install Steam using the downloaded installer and open it up. You'll need to create a free account, and then you can browse their library of free games. So that's basically how you can get free games on your Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.